If you are having issues with your PC microphone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix microphone not working in PC. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's get started. Now first thing, you need to go to your taskbar at the bottom here. Then you will see your speaker icon. Right click on it. Then go to open sound settings. Now you'll need to scroll down, and then you are going to see input here. So you need to choose your input device. So you are going to select the microphone that you are using. So as you can see, mine, I'm using microphone Realtek Audio. So you are going to select that one. And if this one does not work, you will just close this one. Then you will go to start icon at the bottom there. Then click on it. Then you will go to settings. Then this will launch. So you are going to come to privacy. Click on it. Then you will scroll down. And then under app permissions, you are going to see microphone. You're just going to click on it. Then here you are going to see apps to access your microphone. Then ensure that all these buttons have been opened. So here you will choose which apps can access your microphone. So you're going to see the list of apps here. So you are the one who is to give access to these apps to your microphone. So you're going to choose the apps that you need to have access to your microphone. And if this one still does not work, you are just going to close this one. Then you will go again to your taskbar, and then on the start icon you are going to right click on it. Then you will go to device manager. Then this one will pop up. So you will come here on audio inputs and outputs. You are going to click on that drop down button. Then you will see microphone. You are going to click on it. Then you are going to right click on it again. Then you will click on properties, then go to drivers. Then here you need to update your driver. You just click on update. Then after you have updated your driver, you will restart your computer. But if still that one does not work, you are going to uninstall. Once you've restarted your computer and you have opened this device manager, you will come here again and you will click on uninstall device. Then you will restart your computer. Once you've restarted your computer, it will come with a new driver. So that's how you can simply fix mic not working on. If you have found this useful, please do not forget to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Peace.